I'm going to be showing you guys 12 universities that are very cheap and affordable in Europe, okay? The only thing you need to do is watch this video to the end. What you're seeing here is my Google browser. I just went to Google and searched Talk to Sam Africa, then the official website pops up, right? Now, Talk to Sam Africa is a blog where different opportunities, different travel opportunities, internship are being posted on a daily basis. So if you want to travel, you want to move abroad for 2025, make sure you always check out this website. So I click on this website, I open the official web. Then next thing you do is to click on update. Okay, I'll be dropping direct links in the description below so you can have access to it. Now, if you notice there are several opportunities here in different part of the world, if you click on the next button, you have access to so many of them. There's no how if you dedicate yourself for like a month to continue to put in your application, obviously you are going to have success. Okay, so we're talking about this one, 12 affordable universities in Europe for international students. So I just click on it. Like I said, I'll be dropping direct links in the YouTube description, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like what I'm about to show you. Now, Europe is a global hub for higher education, home to prestigious institutions as Cambridge, Oxford, and Zurich. Okay, if you notice, all these are direct links to the school. So if you just click on them, it takes you directly to the links to the school. Now, reasons why you study in Europe: it has quality education, you can work while studying, and it's also affordable, different programs, and you also have access to different cultural exposure. Okay, now these are the list of affordable universities in Europe, starting from Germany. We have University of Würzburg. Okay, if you notice, once I go to click, you notice it's a clickable link. If you just open a new tab, you have access to the university and you can put in your application. So let's just go back. Now, the tuition fee in this school is free. It is free. You don't pay tuition fee. You only pay what they call semester contribution, which is just 162 euros. This is very, very affordable. Yearly, just semester contribution, 162 euros. And they even have what they call scholarship. Okay, that is if you don't want to. The scholarship is going to be used for your living contribution, your accommodation, and the other stuffs. Okay, and you also be away from paying the contribution. Okay, then we also have Hamburg University. This one is also free. This one, their semester contribution is 331 euros. We also have University of Bremen. This one is also free. Semester contribution is 380 euros. And they also have scholarship. Okay, this one is for Germany. You can see all the ones for Germany here are basically tuition fee. Okay, tuition free. It's only this one, Cultural Institute of Technology. This one, their tuition fee is 1,500 euros per semester, and they also have scholarship. But this one is also free. Now, coming to Italy, we have University of Siena. This one, you pay tuition based on your income. So the poorer you are, the lesser you pay. Or if you come from a background whereby you guys are very poor, sorry, this is not me, um, you know, making an offensive statement. No, just the school, right? You pay tuition fee based on your family income. Then we have University of Turin. The tuition fee is approximately 140 euros per semester. Then we have University of Padova. This one is around 200 euros per semester. If you notice, you just click on the link, click on the school to apply, and the scholarships that are available have also dropped created a link for you. Then we also have in Switzerland, we have Zurich University. This one is just 730 franca per semester, and it also has it also has scholarship. Okay, now on this blog post I've also created the visa processing for international students, what you'll be needing, the general requirements. Let's assume you've gotten an admission, so you can go through it. And for those people who are applying from Nigeria, you can also go through this. Then if you are from other country, you can also go through this. So the cost of living in Europe, I've just made a general overview of what you need to know. Now, these are general scholarships for international students. They want to study in Europe. General scholarship, I've listed them. This is it. Yeah, this Erasmus is for different countries in Europe, Italy, Germany, different countries in Europe. Okay. Then we have this one. This one just for those who wants to study in Italy, covers tuition, stipend, and insurance. Then this one is for those who wants to study in Switzerland for master's, PhD, and research studies. Then this one is also for Switzerland. Then Padova is also for Italy. Okay. So you have access to all these things. The only thing you need to do is put in your application. Please, after watching this video, just just hit the like button, drop a comment, and also share. Another update shared, guys. Love you.